79 through 95 pickup, 4Runner be 1984 through 95. Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So I've got my Toyota pickup truck here. This is a 1985 and I'm going to be removing the interior door panel today. It's never been removed as far as I know of. What we're going to do is take off the handles. We've got the pull handle here, got to remove. We've got look at that, that's I don't know if you can see that with the shadow here because it's really sunny here, but it's very brittle. The plastic is very brittle. It's already broken around here, the trim. Gonna need to remove that somehow if it doesn't just crumble. We've got the crank handle that has to be removed. And yeah, it doesn't come up over, so it's just like a centerpiece. So just got to pull it away. There's going to be a bunch of plastic clips that kind of go around, and I would imagine, or let's hope, try to be positive here, but those may break. A lot of times they do, so may have to replace some of those later. So we're going to get a Phillips head screwdriver because I know this handle here is held on by two, so let's grab our screwdriver. Alright, so I think the hardest part of this is going to be removing the crank handle. And to do that, we have to remove a pin holding it on. It's like a C clip kind of pin, metal. I can't really see it. But from the book that I'm looking at, it shows somebody taking a towel and putting it underneath here, and doesn't really explain how they do it necessarily. But we're going to grab our towel and we're going to try to get that off. I figure if I can't get that off, there's no need to continue. So yeah, let me grab a washcloth and I'll get right back. Got my washcloth here. It's pretty thin. What we're going to do is we're going to go underneath and we're going to try to get this in between the plastic and then the final part of the door, and just kind of work our way up. Not exactly sure what position would be best. Let's go ahead and start down. It's not working very well. There we go. See that maybe? Need something to, there we go. That's all there is to that. Should just pull right off. So yeah, it seats in here. So here's how it works. So I'll be pushing it on the metal. It's got to go down here, but we'll be pushing it from the top of the plastic. Here's our close-up look at it in place, or how it sits actually. Of course, the metal is going to be, you know, engaged, and we can't put it on like that. We have to take it off to put it on, but that's the position that it will be in. There is a little tab right here, sets up. So yeah, I guess down is the way you would put it on and take it off. So you put it in there like that, kind of get it started, push it as far as you can, and push that clip down, and it should engage and and here. So that's how that's done. This is an ASIN part. Now we're going for this trim piece here. And here's a Phillips head screw in here. I'm hoping this doesn't just disintegrate. That's a pretty small screw. Look at that. That was really easy. Okay. So the pull handle here has 2 Phillips screws. Kind of hard to see them. Just got to get the right angle there with the screwdriver, then you'll feel them. One is out and let it fall. Okay, let's go to second one here. There we go, right there. I can't really see what I'm filming. I hope you're able to see this. The sun is just so bright today, and I'm glad it is. Okay. There we go. So next we just have to get the panel itself off. I'm going to use something like this. Not exactly sure what this is or where I got it, but you could probably use a scraper. You may not need anything like this, but just kind of get underneath. Get the first one off, and it would be nice to kind of see. There we go, perfect. Kind of look up underneath. That's beautiful. I know there's going to be a shadow. It. Surprised that that is still intact. This right here, this gooey black, I'm pretty sure that's like tar, roofer's tar. So if your plastic is all messed up and you want to replace it, you could probably use that caulk. Like you can get it in a caulk gun, and that'll hold your plastic. It's waterproof. Anyway, let me get out of the way so you can see. And over here, right against that plastic, we have this. It's like a cupped washer, plastic cupped washer. Everything's good for me. I was having a lock problem. That's why I was thinking I was going to have to take it off, but I actually got that working with some WD-40 the other day. But I wanted to take it off, make a video in case I do have to in the future work on something. Take a closer look at some of the lock mechanism here. All those plastic retainer clips are still good. None of those broke. I'm really shocked about that. Let's try to take a closer look at the lock. I know the shadow is terrible here, but You have to replace this. Looks like maybe two 10 or 12 millimeter bolts to remove this. And we've got linkage here that runs right there. Let's see if I can. There is the outdoor handle, and then there's a linkage right there. Maybe we can see my finger. That plastic piece that holds the linkage on, and it goes down to the lock. Right here. Anyway, that's going to be it for removing door panel on a 85 through 91 or 79 through 95 pickup. 4Runner be 1984 through 95 door panel. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.